Hey, I've got a great product here that you should know if you're prepping a vehicle, like a show truck, or if I'm wrapping a vehicle, ceramic coating, whatever it may be, you want to do prep work, obviously, prior. This takes a lot of time out of that prep work. This is a panel wipe. And yes, they make a specific formula for prepping. It could be plastic, metal, glass. I mean, we're even doing some PPF on glass now. And you want to make sure, you clean, clean, clean. If you use this from Gtechniq, this panel wipe, I mean, it's very simple. You have yourself, depending if you want lint or lintless, microfiber towel, spray it on the vehicle generously, and then just wipe. And it'll remove silicones, other weird things, compounds from the paint where you can actually start to see, or whatever your surface is, you can start to see where some of the imperfections are or where the pores are, because now you've got to the point where you've got it nice and clean. Gtechniq makes a lot of different products, but the panel wipe is the first one you want to start with before you do all your other applications. You want to get your surface perfectly prepped for whatever you're about to do. So get some panel wipe.